Today we will be showing you how to replace the drive power board, also known as a DC to DC converter board, in an HP MSL3040 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. If you need to order a replacement drive power board for your MSL3040 tape library from the Rocket platform, please use part number 882196-001. Once you have determined where the faulty drive power board is and schedule downtime, you will first have to power down the library. Push the power button for approximately 5 seconds and then release it. You will see a prompt asking if you want the robot in the default parked position or moved to the shipping position. You can select the default parked position. The library will now position the robot and then power itself off. Now you can move to the back of the library. You should first unplug the power cables going to the power supplies in the module where the faulty drive power board is located. This will ensure that there are no electrical shorts present that could damage the components as you are replacing them. When the power cables are unplugged, you can then proceed to remove the control card for the module. This is held in by 2 thumb screws. After you loosen both of these thumb screws, the control module can be pulled out and set to the side. You will now see the drive power board and where it is held in by 1 flip latch. Pull the latch down to release the board from the back of the library and then pull it straight back and set it to the side. Now you can install the replacement drive power board. First ensure that the locking latch is in the open position. Then line up the replacement board with the guide rails in the empty bay and push the board in until it is firmly seated in the library. Flip the locking latch to the closed position and clip it securely to ensure that the board is seated in the library. Then reinstall the control card. Finally, plug the power cables into the back of the control module and return to the front of the library. Hit the power button once to power the library on. It will now go through its full initialization process. This may take some time depending on if you have expansions installed. When the library is fully initialized, it will display the login screen on the operator panel. Log into the operator panel and verify that all drives are powered on and online. Also, any error for the drive power board should have automatically cleared. If it did not, you will need to clear it manually and ensure that it does not return. If you are having any issues with the drive power board replacement, or your drives will still not power on correctly, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will be happy to assist you.